Are you looking for a small spill kit that you can easily stash in your truck or on your heavy equipment? Maybe you need to strategically place a few kits around your facility in those places where a spill might occur. EnviroMet offers several options for you to consider. Today, I'm going to focus on our line of spill packs, those kits that are packaged in bags. We currently have 3 different spill packs that are filled with a variety of absorbents that you can use to quickly contain and absorb those nuisance spills that may happen to occasionally occur in the normal course of operations. The spill pack bags are not waterproof, so we recommend that you store them inside or under cover. You can choose between oil-only or universal absorbents. Now, what I mean by this is that the oil-only absorbents are selective to liquids derived from hydrocarbons like gas and diesel, oil. Universal absorbents, on the other hand, also absorb the hydrocarbons, but they suck up water and other chemical liquids as well. Let's take a quick look at the 3 spill packs, starting with the Economy Kit, one of our most popular kits. The Economy Pack holds pads and socks and is packaged in a zippered plastic bag. The Deluxe Spill Pack consists of a heavy-duty bag with handles and a top zipper. This deluxe kit is filled with pads, socks, and a pillow. Your third option is our newest spill kit, the Duffel Bag Spill Pack. Packaged in a neon yellow duffel bag, the contents of this pack include pads, socks, and a bag of granular absorbent. EnviroMet's team of experts can help you decide which spill pack is best for you. Give us a call today or go to spill-kit.com.